done. I need 12 for what I'm doing. This tape, I'll tell you. Get this up. There we go. Be very careful with this because this will tear, okay? Now, as you can see, they are perfectly spaced apart. They are very legible. I even did some of these just to show that you can do other things as well. And this is the fine tip side, and this is the thicker one, okay? So now what we're gonna do, I can get rid of this. Get this tape off my counter. And we're gonna cut these after we start punching our holes, okay? Now, I have these, one of these you can get them from Hobby Lobby, pretty sure Amazon. I will link one in my Amazon storefront that is similar to this one. And what you're gonna do is I may have to trim some of this because we want that fully in the circle. So I'm gonna trim just a little bit of this off so we can get up there. Probably about like here, okay? And then you just press down, and there you have it. That is your wafer image topper, okay? The size of my punch was a 2-inch punch, so that's why I did a 2-inch circle on my template. We'll just call this my template. And I used the font that I wanted, and this is a 2-inch circle because I have a 2-inch hole punch that I am using. And yeah, and I did the black background and left the white circle so I can see it through the wafer image. Okay, and then to get to these here, I'm just going to trim above that to get rid of that excess. Don't go too close. And just continue on like I was doing before and punching. Is we're just gonna put a dollop on there like so, okay? Got it. We're gonna take our parchment paper, we're gonna lay it flat, and we're gonna take our cupcake, and we're gonna flip it upside down and press down. All right, now we're gonna pop these in the fridge for about 10-15 minutes. All right, we have taken those out of the fridge. Now I'm gonna move this cord out the way. Now we've taken them out the fridge, and what you wanna do is you wanna just peel it away from the parchment paper, and you're gonna be left top like so. Okay, and this is what we're left with. Here is where we're gonna pipe our affirmations that are gonna go in the middle. I was gonna cut them, but I don't want them to have to go through all of that of trying to pull that off, because it's gonna be a lot of icing anyways. So I'm just gonna pipe some words on top.